What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name's Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Ipsy traditional $12 glam bag for the month of July. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's see what we got for my birthday month. It better be a cute bag. And it's not. It's okay. I usually like gold, but this is kind of like a dirty gold color. And it has blue. Oh, I do like that little charm. And then on this side it says Stay Golden. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, let's see what we got inside here. So, Stay Golden is this month's theme. The first product that I see is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Primer. So this is a deluxe sample. Retail value of the full size is $28. So refreshing, hydrating, and perfect under makeup, this multitasking primer checks all the right boxes. It uses a combo of hydrating hyaluronic acid and brightening watermelon extract to make your skin smooth, bright, and prepped for makeup. And it says, prone to excess shine, use this primer in place of your moisturizer. Okay, I'm really excited to try that. Next, I can't tell you how many times I've received this product. This is the Murad Essential C Day Moisture Broad SPF Spectrum SPF 30. So this is sunscreen essentially. This is a deluxe sample. Retail value of the full size is $65. Now, I know you're like, oh, someone as fair as you should love getting sunscreen, but here's how I protect myself from the sun. I don't go in it. Alright, next is this 3 Ships Purified Aloe and Amino Cleanser. When your skin needs a pick-me-up, reach for this multitasking formula that does way more than clean. Alright, so this is a sample. Retail value of the full product is $22. Have not heard of this brand before. Alright, next, I hate these little mini eyeshadow things. This is the Shayna B Miami B Dazzling Eye Duo in Soca and Bacchanal. So this metallic gold and matte brown eyeshadow duo. Alright, so retail value of the full size is $29. Those are actually really pretty colors. Okay. And the last product is this Brioche Hair Care Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood. So, like a green shake for your strands, this nourishing treatment mask gives dry, dull hair new life. It uses a combo of spinach, chia seeds, and cocoa butter to moisturize your scalp, stimulate hair growth, give hair mirror-like shine, and lock in moisture and minimize frizz. Okay, that sounds really interesting actually. I need all those things. So this is 1 ounce and retail value of the full size is $36. Alright, so I am excited about this and I'm excited about the Ciate primer. The other 3 I could do without. Kind of disappointing actually. But what are you gonna do? Alright guys, let me know what you got in your Ipsy for the month of July. Hopefully it was a little bit better than mine. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next time.